Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple salad recipe which is easy to make and is very filling. And since it packs multiple nutrients, this salad is great for gorgeous thick hair and younger looking skin. And this will help in weight loss as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly see how to prepare the chickpea salad. The first thing we need is chickpea or chole as we call it in India. I am taking half a cup of chickpea. Mine is a larger variety. Chickpea is high in protein, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium and iron. They are a healthy and filling option to satisfy those untimely hunger pangs. Soak chickpea in enough water overnight or for at least 5 hours. It would swell almost double its size on being soaked properly. You can also keep some in the fridge and boil them as and when needed. The soaked chickpea lasts for up to a week if kept in the fridge. Now let's cook them in a pressure cooker. Add enough water and add some salt for faster cooking. Wait for at least 7 to 8 whistles till the chickpea is cooked thoroughly. And till it's being prepared, let's chop the vegetables and fruits for the salad. You can add any fruit or vegetable of your choice and also depending on their availability. But since we are focusing on keeping the salad extremely high in vitamins and antioxidants, I prefer adding some select vegetables that serve the very same purpose. I love adding bell pepper to my salad and other dishes as they are very high in vitamin C and antioxidants. In fact, a cup of chopped bell pepper has 3 times more vitamin C than one orange. Isn't that a great fact? Also adding red cabbage, which is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Antioxidants slow down the aging process, keeping your skin looking younger, and also slow down the hair graying mechanism, which means that the hair would remain darker for a longer time. I am also adding carrots. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A, iron and beta carotene. It helps increase the hemoglobin in the blood and helps control hair fall and untimely wrinkles on the skin. Beetroot and tomatoes again are really high in iron and vitamin A. They have been an obvious choice to be added in the salad. I also add beetroot to my everyday juice as well. Salad is always a great idea as that's what makes a good salad more enjoyable. Hence, here comes some lettuce and cucumber. Since we are keeping everything healthy, I'm also adding some pomegranate. Pomegranate again is one of the healthiest fruits that will help effectively in controlling hair fall and making the skin appear fresh and younger. Only because pomegranates are an excellent source of iron, vitamin A and calcium. I have also dropped some olives in the salad as they were lying in my fridge. They are optional and you can skip them as well. However, I always add olives mainly because they are really high in vitamin E and slow down the aging process, making the hair and skin appear shiny. Now I would toss everything together. Pour some lemon juice and salt and pepper to add a nice peppy flavor to the salad. I enjoy this in the evenings when my biggest hunger pang strikes. You can try making it whenever you wish to keep your meal light yet filling. It is also a great tiffin idea to be carried around. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.